Disclaimer! The sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, parang ang init-init. Parang naisip kong mag-ice cream. Yaya, may ice cream ba tayo?
Po, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, ang init kasi. Parang naisip ko lang mag-ice cream. Ang sarap ah. Carmen's Best? Yaya, saan mo ito nakuha? Ang taray ah.
Dito lang po.
Saan dito? Oh my God guys, nandito nga pala kami sa Carmen's Dairy Farm. Na-vertigo na naman ako. So guys, nainitan ako kaya pumunta na lang kami dito. Come on, let's go. We're just waiting for Paco, the owner. Guys, we're here at Carmen's Dairy Farm and here with me is the owner of the ice cream, Carmen's Best, Paco Delgado Magsaysay.
Hello.
Hi, Paco.
Thank you for coming.
And thanks for accommodating us.
Of course,
Thank
anytime.
you. He will show us around. By the way, bakit Carmen Ice Cream?
Oh, I named it after my only daughter, Carmen.
Oh,
She's my
wow.
youngest and only daughter.
Oh my gosh, how did it start? And why did you think of doing this ice cream?
The farm started in 2007. My dad and his friends put up a dairy farm.
Dairy Farm, which is
farm.
this one. Yeah.
And we started the ice cream in 2011. Actually, today is our 9th anniversary.
Wow, it's your 9th anniversary and you're here with us.
Of course.
Oh my gosh, thank you so
Yes.
much. I really appreciate it.
Yes. So what we'll do today is take a tour of the farm. And I have two of my team members here. Dolly Chua from Carmen's Best.
Hello, Daddy.
And Jake Bora from Holly's Milk or
Hi,
Real
Jake.
Fresh Dairy.
And they're the one who will tour us around.
Yes.
Are you guys ready? Let's go! Okay, my shoes is here. Guys, look! Yung nabutan ko. Ano ba nangyari dyan? Sobrang kahiya-hiya, guys. What's this?
Quesong puti we make ourselves.
Ay, naku, guys.
Ako, ice cream
Look,
ako.
kesong
Yeah.
puti.
Because our quesong puti is very different from what you normally try. Because
Oh,
other
sige.
people mix water with it. Just try this one first.
Okay,
Yeah.
kesong puti.
It's just like it's mozzarella already.
Go.
It's like mozzarella.
The kesong puti is so social. It's not the regular kesong puti, ah. Parang it's from Italy, ah. Guys, look, I'm so excited to try their flavors. We have Rocky Road, Pokey Pokey, salted caramel, and we have Brazilian coffee, Philip's favorite. And do I have chocolate here? Oh my God, I have dark chocolate. Guys, I'm so excited. Let's eat na Carmen's Best.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to our farm this morning. So the farm started in 2007. We first imported 100 pregnant heifers or pregnant cows from New Zealand through the NDA, the National Dairy Authority. And now we have about 250 cows. Most are milking.
See guys, the owner of Carmen's Best Ice Cream is here with us. And he just came here for us to show us around. But he is so busy and he has to head back to Manila. We're now in Laguna at their dairy farm. We'll take you around guys later.
Ano yung role ng mga male cows? Aside
Yeah, that's right.
from pagbubuntis lang.
For us, it can be a surplus commodity that we can sell.
Cow is a female animal. Bull calf is a male. So males have no use in a dairy farm.
But if you have a good genetic lineage, for example, your mom is a good milker and your father is a good sire, you can be kept as a stud bull.
Because as they say, you never sell the milking cow. Because that's where you make your money.
Si Father naka one cup. How's the ice cream, Father? Good?
Growing animal.
Very good. We have to say it's good.
Okay, are we ready?
Okay, let's go. Hello guys! Start of the tour. Ay my God! Ano yan? Halatate ka, big. Basta ka sandali, pati mo muna. Kasi naman Oh, sige. Guys, look oh. Pang third na niya. Ano nangyari? He's always like that, guys.
Parang made in China yun.
No, lubutan ko. Tanggalin na lang.
Made in China
Ito ba yaya? Hoy, matagal na to. Okay na. Guys, how can I walk in the farm? Okay. Oh, red. Ayan, yung red. Hindi na siya lubutan. Hindi na siya red.
May chitali ika pala.
Eh, health niya, boss niya. Tampo-tampo lang. obvious it's a guy. Look. Yeah, look. Is it imported? Imported?
Yes, they're all wala naman kasing local dairy. Ano lang tayo, Carabao lang.
Carabao lang. Guys, mag-ingat. May mga bakang tumatawid here. Look at the water. It's so clear. Guys, this is the food of the cows. Look, it's so clean and so green. No, kailangan hindi stress ang cow. Ma-affect ang milk production, ha? Oh, this is the food of the cows. Already shredded, no?
The cows eat 10% of their body weight. So a 300 kilo animal will eat 30 kilos a day.
A day.
A day.
30 kilos of grass a
Per
day.
cow.
Per cow.
So kung 400 kilos siya, 40 kilos ang kakainin niya. So can you
Oh my
imagine
God!
how
So how many?
Kaya kulang na kulang to.
Ilang na kulang to?
How does 30 kilos look
So
like?
this is
This is
the
1,000
second
kilos.
batch.
Ah, si Philip. Naku, ganadong mag-interview, oh. Galing ni Phil.
1,000 kilos.
Feeding
Actually, the feeds of the cow is the most expensive part.
The feeds.
So dapat fast
So this is
growing
expensive.
yung fast growing yung
It's minding me, grabe. Grabe, walang kapake-pakean si Father, Deadman. Ayaw siyang makinig. Oh my gosh, look at them! Baby cows! So ito baby pa. They're less than 6 months of age. Oh, next time magmi-milk ka na, ha? Okay?
We have septic milk and we're using it as fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
nothing's wasted.
Yes, po.
Yes.
Because we are also planting our own grass.
Ayan, magbibigay ka na ng milk, ha? Give some milk, baby. O, si Yaya, nakikipag-play na. Why? Kissing! Grabe! Yeah! X-rated, guys. This cow is very nosy, ah. And he knows ates what. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the other side. Okay, we go to the mama cows. Tati, you're looking for pigs. Walang pigs dito. Guys, itong mga nakatayo, yung mga nakatayong cows, nakikichismis. Ito namang mga nakaupo, nagmi-milk. If they're seated, they're producing milk. But when they're standing, nagchichismis sila. They're so excited that we're here. Stressful when we go near. Daddy, how do you find the food? Daddy ko, baboy ang hinahanap. Tsaka goat. Daddy, don't step on the poop.
In here, you will see the holding area, the milking parlor, and also the
Milking parlor.
clinic for the animals. Sir Papa will demo.
Demo cow!
Feeding the cow, the cow space is here, and the others, or the tits of the cow is here.
Oh.
And that's where they put the pump. How many tits does a cow have?
32.
No, tits, not teeth.
Guys, not tit. Tits.
4, okay? 4 or 8. Somebody said 2,
Me, 8.
6 or 8.
8.
If you see a cow with 6 tits, you run away as
Oh my
fast as you
God,
can.
why? Run
Because
away.
it's not a cow anymore.
Oh my God, it's what? It's
So a
bull.
cow has only 4 tits, or you call it 4 quadrants. Because if one of the tits is infected or gets sick, that one quadrant dies and you can't use it anymore. So you only get 3/4 of the milk.
Ano yan? Di doon naman. What's that? Walang care sa care.
Tama na, pambira naman. Tama na yung camera.
So we're at the processing plant now. This is the first fresh milk processing plant in the Philippines. When I say fresh milk processing, it's the temperature that's used to pasteurize or to cook the milk. So when the milk comes out of the cows, we bring the milk here and we pasteurize the milk. So we have an inline pasteurizing system, which we'll show you here. So if you'd like to get up
Okay,
here.
let's go in.
So aside from our farm, we also get milk from 2 other farms that we bring in to pasteurize. When we get the milk from other farms, we have to test their milk for proteins, for milk solids or milk fat, and other things have been added to the milk. So this is the lab. What you see here are the cooling vats or the tanks, the holding tanks. The cooling system is actually a water that goes around it. So it's a double jacketed vat. Cold water goes around it, and then the milk inside is kept cold for 24 to 48 hours. Kasi hindi every day ang processing namin. We process every other day. This machine on the right side is my favorite machine, and it's called the cream separator. So when you run the raw milk there, all the cream falls out in one side and all the non-fat milk goes out off in the other side. So in order to make whole milk, you put back 3.7% fat, and that is whole milk. To make low-fat milk, you put back 2%. Now, if you run UHT milk here, or milk made with powder and water, you will not get any separation because it doesn't have any fat. So, the most expensive part of milk is the fat or the milk solids. In other countries, they value the milk based on the milk solids, the butter fat. I-check nila ano yung percentage ng butter fat mo, yun ang babayaran ka based on the butter fat. That's why in other countries, they get cows that give you a higher butter fat because they'll get higher value for their milk. You're learning so much.
Learning so
Okay.
much. Vlog. This is Philip's vlog already. He's so interested.
Okay, so this room is where the magic happens. This is where the pasteurizing happens. Now, most dairy farms will use a batch pasteurizing. The problem with batch pasteurizing is masyadong naluluto yung lasa ng gatas. What we're doing is HTST or high temperature short time. So we heat the milk to 72.5 degrees for 20 seconds. And then when we turn it off, it goes back down to 4 degrees in a few seconds. So, sandali lang siya liluto. But that is for fresh milk pasteurizing. That's why our milk lasts only 7 to 10 days. Kasi fresh milk pasteurizing siya. But mas palasa siya. In the US, when you buy milk, the milk is normally 3 weeks to 1 month. But the taste is not as good kasi mas niluto siya. Now you ask, why does the US do that? It's because of the short shelf life. It's hard to sell milk in a grocery and it's only good for 7 to 10 days. That's why we deliver, so you can get the milk at an earlier stage. So the milk used for Carmen's Best is fresh milk pasteurized. And the cream rises to the top. Because the cream is the best part of the milk. The cream of the crop. Oh, you're learning so much.
Learning so
Okay, there's so
I'm
many
learning
sayings
so
from-
much.
Yeah,
Cream of the crop. Cream of the crop ba? Spell crop. C-R-O-O C-R-A.
So tamang-tama, they're making,
Wow,
they're packing the quesong puti.
Queso puti.
So when you guys buy the quesong puti, you know what it looks like. That's the
Quesong
quesong
puti.
puti. We sell it at 200 gram packs.
Looks so sarap. We have more samples and we'll try. We'll go back and eat some more. Guys, did you enjoy our trip?
Yes.
Jameson, did you see the cows?
Yes. James cows.
Yeah, the cows, say yes. We're going back and we'll eat more ice cream.
There is more ice cream.
So excited. Oh guys, we're done with the tour and we'll have some lunch here. It's so masarap. Ate, where will we eat nga?
Palaisdaan.
Palaisdaan. Oh my gosh, my favorite. We'll go to Palaisdaan. See you guys there. Bye. Guys, you were not able to take you around where they do the ice cream because it's highly sanitized. And of course, ayaw ko naman mag-rubber suit. And how can I walk? Look what happened naman to my shoes. Ayan guys, ayan, sira. Ayan, tanggal ang sole. Oh my gosh, lubutan pa naman siya. So, maybe next time. We're so hungry and the Eat Girl is going to lunch now. Oh my God, look guys! Yung lubutan ko, wala na. Red, natanggal guys, oh. Oh my gosh, right. Oh my God, we're here now in Palaisdaan and we'll eat our lunch. Look oh, how grand. Kaya, show them, show them. Guys, sabi nila doon kami kakain. Sa likod ni King Kong. Guys, look how grand. So nice. At least makaka-lunch kami here. Guys, sa likod ni King Kong Kong kami kakain. So, isang bundok pa. Okay guys, we're now in the grand ballroom of Palaisdaan. Bigyan mo na ng tip para mabilis ang service. Ay, ba? Ayaw pala yun. Ayun na, bigyan na ng tip nang mabilis iluto yung sa atin. Ate, ano yan?
Hindi.
Masyadong malaki yan, ate.
Pakilala siya.
Pakaya mo yung presyo na po. Ate, malaki yan. Bakit sige, sa akin na, ibigay mo sa akin. Ayan, pwede siya. Akin na.
Divide mo na lang.
Ma'am, sobrang laki talaga, promise.
Hindi, promise mo. Divide mo na lang. Oh.
Tatago ko na to.
Oo, ma'am, para masabi
Guys,
na
akin na
yan.
to. Ate, ano ba yung masarap natin?
Crispy pata rin tayo noon.
Masarap.
Lahat order namin dalawa ha.
Dalawa pa man po.
Times 2. Dalawang crispy pata, dalawang liempo. Yung sisig nila small.
Sisig ba is good? Okay, sisig siguro,
Sisig.
let's try 3. Tapos ano pa, what's something with alibe? Pero ayun namin maghimay.
Adobong kangkong.
Oh, yes. What else? Bestseller. O sige, dalawang lechon. Okay na muna, yun na. Guys, umorder na kami. And of course,
dito
I
na si
ordered
Beth.
my favorite lechon. But now it's lechon, ano. Daddy, it's your treat today, ha? Libre mo, ha? It's your treat, ha?
Tulog ako, hindi na ako balaan.
Small, may senior kami dito.
May senior
Add
kami.
mo ng 20%.
Tsaka may bawas.
Mabawas mo yung 20.
Kasi yun ang sabi niya, sa senior citizen. Sabi niya, hindi totoong binabawas yung less 20 ng senior.
Bali, total bill po niya na lahat. Saka po yung lesson kayo dito po.
Yun.
Pero papakita mo muna sa kanya yung deal.
Yes po.
Gusto niyo makita mo na yung bill.
Kasi duda siya eh.
Ayan, sinabi niyo na daw kasi kaya alam na nila. Guys, my dad, hindi kasi bilib siya sa less 20 ng senior. Kaya sabi niya, kailangan ipakita yung bill minus less. Dinadagdag lang daw yung 20% para ile-less yung 20% ng senior. That's always the argument when he showed his senior citizenship. Daddy, ikaw ba magtitreat? Naiwanan daw yung wallet niya.
Wala pa pong
Daddy! Oh my gosh, guys! Bayaran na! Nawala na yung daddy ko! Pagbayaran, nagto-toilet, guys! Nawala! Ano ate, di sa'yo na? Small, Laude. Triple L. Small, Laude. Magkakaroon na ako ng show. Oh my God. Ay, 8,000. Ay, senior card. Senior
Credit card na
Credit
kailangan.
card. 4,000. Ay, ganda ng wallet. Ay, ang dami pera. Ay, dali ako dito. Yabang.
Hindi na.
Okay. Ang dami ko ng sino.
Ay, kulang.
Kulang. Naku,
8, 9.
ito problema, baka magkaroon ng insomnia. Ay, sana hindi magkaroon ng insomnia. O, ate, o.
Meron pa.
Saan? Ay, ang dami. Grabe.
Tama ba?
Okay, tama. Okay. 12. Ibayad.
Susunod, hindi na ako sasama.
Ay! Bakit? Bakit gusto ka namin kasama?
Bakit ako nakabalik ka agad? Nakapag na toilet.
Ang dami pala ng dalang pera, no?
Ang dami niya. Lagi siyang ganun. Hindi mo na. Si Billy Tingastate off siya. He'll come!
Kamukha ko.
Oh my God, yung mukhang kamukha. Mag-smile ka nga, mag-smile. Tapos sabay ganyan. Ayan, parang twin brother. Sobrang kamukha, banga na lang ang kulang. O tapos, smile. Driver namin. Ano ang pangalan mo?
Hamlet po.
Hamlet. Spell it.
Hamlet.
Oh, saan nakuha ng nanay mo yung
Sa Shakespeare po.
Shakespeare?
May iba natin sa literature.
Yung papa ko po.
Papa niya.
Story na nabasa mo na Shakespeare.
Sa ano pa lang po. Yung Romeo and Juliet ko lang nabasa ko.
Ay, Romeo and Juliet, Shakespeare pala yun. Oh guys, itong driver namin, nagbabasat siya ng Shakespeare.
Kami sila magkaaway po ng pamilya nila pareho. Pero dahil the end, nagkagustuhan pa rin pa sila kahit magkaaway pa.
Okay.
Hanggang sa kamatayan ma, na pa rin.
Ay, nag-suicide.
Opo.
Suicide. Jan and Marcia, alam mo hindi?
Yung sa ano lang po, sa TV ma'am.
Oh, sa TV. Sino actor?
Si Dolphy po ma'am.
Dolphy,
saka
tama.
Si Jan
Tsaka-
and Marcia po.
Jan and Marcia.
Si
Ano ba ito? Kalimutan ko po yung babae. Nida Blanca.
Mas alam niya yung Shakespeare stories kaysa kay John and Marcia. Pabalik yung binayad niya. Eh, dapat daw ibalik pa daw
Bayaran mo
ngayon.
na, bayaran mo na.
Ikaw konti yan.
Bayaran ka na. Ay, ka na.
Bilik na.
Ayaw mo, akin na lang sa mo to. Tapos na ka. O, lagi rin daw. Kunin mo na. Dito. Here. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our daily farm tour and our eating session. And we're now in Bali, Laude, Laguna, guys. This is your Eat Girl signing off. See you next time.